Hardest roles to hire for are sales, account executives, product managers, those kind of individuals. Typically, programs don't have that in their curriculum. The students also often don't understand what those positions entail. It's the same routine for most programs, whether it's business or engineering or whatever. It tends to be very, very focused on technical skills. And product management and sales management are very much subjects that they tend to be experiential. They tend to require people that have entrepreneurial skills, as an entrepreneurial skill set, to think out of the box, because it doesn't give you a nicely defined problem, right? It's not packaged up. Here's the problem you need to solve. Here's the data. Go solve in 30 minutes, right? It's not packaged like school is. They tend to be, squishy problems that have very little data, and you need to go out and get the data and try different experiments and prod and poke and not take no for an answer, right? It requires a persistence. Product management is the nexus of a team, usually a multidisciplinary team, and the product managers need to be able to work with all those people to get the best out of them, right? And it's not something that, I don't think it's a skill that's generally taught. I mean, you can teach them the framework. It's something that you have to work and experience. And again, people with an entrepreneurial mindset understand that's part of the process. So they just start somewhere and they get better at it, and they're okay with that.